Think your chain is the problem? You might be replacing the wrong part. A worn sprocket can reduce power, damage your chain, and even become a safety risk. Here's how to know when it's time for a new one. First, inspect the sprocket teeth. If they look sharp, hooked, or bent instead of evenly shaped, it's time for a replacement. Next, notice how often you're adjusting your chain. If it keeps getting loose after only a few rides, worn sprockets could be the real cause. Another warning sign is poor acceleration. If your engine revs higher but your bike doesn't pick up speed like it used to, inspect the chain and sprockets immediately. Also, listen carefully while riding. Clicking, grinding, or rattling noises coming from the chain area often mean the sprockets are worn. Here's a tip many riders don't know. Never replace only the chain if the sprockets are already worn. Always replace the chain, front sprocket, and rear sprocket together. This helps the new parts last much longer and keeps your drivetrain running smoothly. Replacing worn sprockets at the right time improves performance, protects your transmission, and makes every ride safer. Follow MotoFixer Pro for more motorcycle maintenance tips that every rider should know.